Nope.
No, you're not going to do that to me. You already gave me some. I was walking away. You were following me. You told me to hang up. I did, and I was walking away.
At the store. Welcome to MVP Cops. In this episode, the main character, Tiffany, refuses to leave a store after being asked multiple times by both store staff and law enforcement.
It's you?
Totally. Are you talking about?
What a shame.
Are you talking about? Was it like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago?
3 weeks ago.
Totally. I got a text from someone saying, "Why are you pulling my girl over?"
Days. That was just.
Okay, Billy. You're cooking. All right. Is she still in there?
Yeah, she's been a while, so
Okay. Hey, police department.
And this gentleman came in.
Miss, police department. Can you just make sure she's not using the restroom?
Good. Yeah, good. It doesn't smell like smoke in here, does it?
No, but you need to get out. They said that you need to leave the premises. You have to listen to them.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, thank you.
But just so you know, he came in the restroom and on me like twice, banged the door, and then came in again and said I was smoking. I'm glad you're here to witness it. It
Okay.
does not smell like smoke.
Okay. Do you mind just letting her know?
Whatever, yeah. Glad you're here to witness, because that was
Sorry, trespasser. Whichever one of you,
Yeah.
just gotta let her know.
So you're gonna be trespassed from here. You can't come back from here.
Okay,
If you
well,
do, you'll
I'm
be
gonna take
arrested.
care of you, sweetheart.
Okay, Billy, appreciate
I'm
it.
already on the phone.
All right, miss, do you have your ID on you, miss?
No, I'm on the phone.
What's your name, miss? Okay. Say, miss, I've been respectful about your phone call. Do you mind just giving me your name? Miss.
Can you wait 1 minute? Are you the one that I need to talk to get some evidence?
Here, I'll walk out with you, miss.
Yes, ma'am. And I have an officer here. What's your name, sir?
Officer Control. Thanks, guys. Yep. Yeah, I'll grab it for you. Yeah, no problem, Billy. We gotta
There's
go
no
outside,
excuse
miss.
for a man to come in the women's restroom. I can't walk outside with my wife.
You're not allowed in the store. You need to leave or you're gonna go to jail.
Reason why
You're trespassing. You need to leave.
For what? Now
Okay.
they're trying to trespass me. So as soon as
So,
it's going
Billy,
away, can I give you my phone number?
He went ahead and trespassed you and said you need to leave. He formally trespassed you. If you do not leave, you are going to jail.
7739.
Do you understand that?
And you'll call me back when? Beautiful. What's the zip code here?
I'm gonna give you one more chance to leave or you're going to jail.
Zip code, it's on 10th Street. It's in Sarasota.
You want me to get
Store number? What's his store number, honey?
Ma'am, get out of the store. That's the third time I've asked.
They don't want to give you
Get
the
out.
store number. It's on 10th Street.
I don't want to arrest you. If you do not leave, I'm going to arrest you.
Arrest me, sir.
Because you're not leaving their property. I don't want to arrest you. But if you don't leave, get off of their property. Get off of the rest. Get out of here.
For what? There's
Are you refusing to
way
leave?
worse than
Are you refusing to leave?
I always followed what you've asked me to do.
Are you going to
but
leave?
I'm being so
Yes or no?
disrespected. It's so
You're not
rude.
listening.
It's so fucking rude.
Yes
dude.
or no? Are you going to leave?
Can I finish my phone call?
No.
It's almost done.
I said no. I said get off their property.
So do you have everything you need, love? You'll call me in 24 to 48 hours. Thank you.
Get off the property. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. I'm recording. What?
I don't.
Ma'am, get off the property.
What the? I'm doing absolutely nothing different than other people, baby.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No. I'm going. Sir, I'm
Get
going.
up. Nope,
No,
you're
you're
under arrest.
not going to do that to me. You already gave me some.
Get your hands behind your back. No. You're resisting arrest. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Are you fucking
Yes, you're under arrest. I told you to leave.
I am leaving. Please just let me leave, so. You fucking can't show my everything. What are you arresting me for?
6102.
What are you arresting me for?
Not resisting. Give me a 10.
What are you arresting me for now? Oh my God, what are you arresting me for?
Give me your other hand.
You fucking
Good job.
You scum of the earth. You fucking scumbag. You are a son of a gangster. Look at the shit you go through just to fucking be so extreme. What a fucking scumbag.
Sit on your side.
You are a scumbag, dude.
Knees to your chest.
You are a piece of
We're gonna go up in one,
scumbag, dude.
2, 3.
Hold on. What the fuck am I being arrested for?
6102
There's
dispatch.
video.
One female 10.
This is unreal, man.
Let's get a supervisor. 51 for use of
What the
force.
fuck are you arresting me for now? What are you arresting me for? What the fuck could you possibly be arresting me for?
Okay, you're walking over here.
Get my other stuff.
I will.
What are you arresting me for?
Trespassing. I told you to leave so many times.
How can you arrest somebody for trespass when they hadn't been trespassed yet? You can't do that.
She engages in a verbal confrontation with officers, claiming she was unfairly targeted and attempting to justify her actions. Despite being warned several times, she resists leaving, leading the police to arrest her for trespassing. She also resists arrest, resulting in additional charges.
I'm gonna listen to you because you don't respect me
You're on camera.
at all. Yeah, hanging up the phone and walking away.
Okay.
That's why I didn't want to, because I knew you'd do some shit. That is unfucking real. You feel good about that?
I told you I didn't want to arrest
I mean,
you.
do you seriously feel good about this?
I did not want to.
Like, how is this even possible? For you to feel okay about doing that to me just then? That is unfucking
If I get a
real.
female for a search
You
warrant,
broke my phone, you scraped my elbows, because I was already leaving and hung up the phone for you. And you gave me a citation the other day.
Okay, let's go into the.
I mean, what is the fuck is wrong with you?
You
dude?
you legitimately.
You
would
know,
have-
I
just needed to
legitimately
leave.
did.
You. That's all you needed to do was
What's
leave.
wrong with you?
That's
What
all
I
you needed to
asked.
do was leave. That's all you needed to do was leave.
So let
I
me
probably gave you 5, 7
So let me
chances.
leave.
No. Now you're under arrest because you
No,
resisted too.
I'm not.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
Yes. And you
No, I'm
resisted.
not.
Okay, you're not. Okay. You can believe what you want, but you are under arrest.
I have a fucking job interview tomorrow, dude. You fucking
Okay,
piece
that was
of
really
shit.
silly what you
I
did.
hope you feel really, hanging up the phone and walking away. That's what I was doing.
You stopped and you wouldn't leave again.
What did I say? I don't remember. I was walking away. You were following me. You told me to hang up. I did, and I was walking away.
If that's how
The
you
fuck is?
remember
How
it.
do you feel good about this,
You'll
dude?
be able to review the
You'll
fucking
remember this
evidence.
for the rest of your fucking life.
Okay.
That is some shit, dude, to do to embarrass me, show my ass. How dare you? How fucking dare you?
Shouldn't have resisted.
Oh my God, you're such a piece of shit. You threw me on the ground. How did I resist? You broke my phone and you're fucking my life.
Yep, I threw you.
You resisted my truth. Piece of shit. Scum of the earth. I think I'm trespassing now.
Were you trespassed previously?
No, dumbass. Go get my stuff. Right now, please.
I will grab your stuff. I don't take orders from you.
And I don't fucking get arrested by you for walking away. The fuck is wrong with you? You already gave me a citation. I'm on probation, and you just want me to go
You're on
so
probation?
far backwards, don't you?
You're on probation?
You do, don't
And
you?
you resisted arrest.
I did not. You threw me on the fucking ground.
When I put your hands on your back and you pulled
I was
away,
walking
say-
away.
You don't need to scream.
Do what the
People
fuck I
trying to do
want to at
business
this
here.
point.
Okay.
I was walking away. I didn't. You said hang up the phone. I was walking this way. You were following me.
Okay.
I did exactly what.
That's where she said. I looked at the screen. It has you here, but
Okay.
she said water tower.
No, absolutely not. If you don't mind just hanging on, I'm just gonna grab gloves. I appreciate it.
You really
Thanks.
changed your mind.
No, I'm not changing my mind. I literally had you ripped your arm away from me and I had to throw you on the ground. It's all on body cam. I told you that.
That's why.
Probably asked 10 times. And then when I said she was going to
By the way, it happened way over there. I was already walking away. He was following me.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
I don't want to go with him. I don't want to go with this man.
The jail won't let you take that in there, miss.
Why do I have to be trespassed? Like, immediately get arrested for trespassing? How is this even possible, dude? And he wants me to look some kind of way like this.
If you refuse to
scumbag.
leave after I tell you 7
I
to 10
was-
times to leave, then that is trespassing.
My water, right? What the fuck? This is it, dude.
Yeah, I'm good. Huh? Does she have shoes?
So do you know who she is?
Oh, no. She wouldn't identify herself, which is fine.
Okay.
But she refused to leave. She was in the bathroom smoking the vape. Billy Ray trespassed her. She stopped twice in the store. Wouldn't leave. I asked her probably 7 times to leave. Told her I didn't want to arrest her in the lobby here. Said fine. As I was walking my car, she was walking. She stopped again and engaged me in conversation. Said leave. She began screaming again. I said, okay, put your hands on your back. Ripped her arm away. Said no. Flexed her arm, and that's when we went to the ground. Placed her in handcuffs without any further issues. So
On the ground, put it
So just take down, that's it?
that's it. Just to take down. No strikes, no anything.
From this?
This knuckle right here.
Make sure you grab a photo of that for Axon.
Okay.
Do you have her identified or no?
I have all of her stuff in the car. I haven't searched any of her property, but it looks like she has a wallet in there. So it sounds like
Trespass after warning and
resisting without violence.
Trespass after warning?
Yes, miss.
Do you want to take her?
Just if you want to search her here, just because it's raining, I'll and then I'll just put her in my car.
All right. Would you favor just face this way for me, ma'am? We're gonna face this way towards the wall.
Let go of me. She's got me.
I'm not gonna let go of you.
Do you have anything wrong with you?
Yeah. I respect the cops.
Are you wearing underwear?
Yeah, they were all, everybody saw my whole ass.
I'm getting started right now. Just
Okay.
takedown.
Yeah.
Like armbar takedown, leg sweep. What do you got?
No, literally with arm, but maybe right here with the leg and then down. And then her phone broke. And then, I mean, if I turn off, you can watch right on my computer screen.
All right, you ready to go?
All right.
We'll get my water.
No, it would have to get thrown away anyway. It can't go into jail. I told you probably 3 times prior I didn't want to take you to jail. When you rip your arm away and say no, that's
You get
resisting.
it.
Put your
Go
foot in
ahead and
place.
You're a liar.
It's on-
did what
it's
you
on-
asked.
it's on body
It was the
camera.
moment. Good.
Yes.
Oh, good. Trust me. My dad's a city manager. I'm gonna get you.
Yeah, 14 or do you need
It's in her wallet, I think. I'm just going to search her wallet real quick. I'm just going to get some air stuff for her, and then I'm going to search her property. There is a camera, you're right.
You know what you fucking did. Don't lie. Explain yourself to me, fellas.
I'm not, it's on camera.
You doesn't have to explain to me. Hey, ma'am, he's my partner.
I know.
And he doesn't have to explain it to
I don't
me.
even know how he's gonna live with this.
I wonder what she's on probation for.
Burglary for tuna fish. Not gonna hear it now.
Burglary?
For tuna fish. You gave me a citation the other day.
Yeah, but you resisted.
You gave me a citation the other day.
I've never met
You
you.
didn't even see me do anything.
I've never met you.
And I accepted it. And now since you asked me to get off the sidewalk. Yes.
Why are you
And
yelling?
you want to talk about the facts, the truth, to your partner?
You don't know me, Tiffany.
That's why I didn't want to.
You don't know me.
You have no idea what I'm doing.
All you had to do was listen.
I did.
You didn't.
What did I not do?
Tiffany, I don't even remember the last time I had to use force on somebody.
What did I not do that you asked me to do?
You
I was
didn't
walking.
leave. You didn't leave.
I
You
was walking
didn't leave.
away.
No, you stopped and then you started yelling again.
What did I say when I yelled?
Tiffany, it'll be on body camera. You can review it with
What
your
did I
attorney.
say when I yelled?
I don't even need to answer to you. I'm just being polite.
It's not how it happened. You're right.
This is just the case number right here. This is the officer who handled it. Okay. The victim's right for sure because she has been trespassed here before. So. She has? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you have any questions for me? Okay. Thank you. All right. Take care, guys.
Not how it went down. I did what you said. That's why I didn't want to get off the fucking phone. With Publix.
Hey.
I probably won't follow through with that.
I need to give you a call
60
back.
days later, you piece of fucking shit. Not happening, not crying. You son of a bitch. You piece of fucking shit. You piece of shit.
Yeah, it was a bad decision on your part.
No, it was. You can't even remember what I said as if I was yelling at you.
Okay.
I don't yell at officers. I did not yell at you.
Next time an officer says put your hands behind your back, you should do it. It's an order. It's a lawful order. You can't rip your arm away and say no. Alright, and recording on the dash camera. They won't take anything as large as your purse, so all your property is going to be taken to the Sarasota Police Department where you can grab it once you get out, okay? I'm going to give you a property slip so you can just bring it to the front desk.
They will take my purse. They're gonna do some more shit to me. Maybe they're more shit on a bus when I get out. I mean, are you fucking kidding my life?
No, I'm serious. If it's like a small wallet, they'll take it, but if
It's a
purse,
small little purse. But they've taken a whole backpack here before.
for a deputy, they will. I'm a city officer, miss.
What's the difference?
I'm municipal. I have to stay within the city boundaries. The county jail is run by county deputies. Like, they will take county deputies' property for their arrestees, like a big bag. But for a city officer, they only take up to a wallet. Okay, so I'll have you hop out, please.
I can't get out. I can't move. I'm like stuck.
No, I have the seatbelt off of you.
You're gonna have to help me. I
Okay, can you
literally,
turn here? I'll show you how. Turn your legs this way, please.
my knee hurts. I can't move. Like, if you could just maybe grab my elbow a little bit and pull me to
Sure.
the left.
Sure.
Because my other elbow hurt.
Sure. There you go.
I feel stuck.
Here, get your leg up. There you go.
Oh, but my wrist. Okay, now I got it.
Okay. No, just have you come this way, please.
Can you just fucking go like that
Oh, my babes.
If you go like this, it would help. I can't touch your hair. There you go.
Trespassing and resisting arrest without violence.